Hello everyone and welcome to this comparison between Tella versus Loom. Which one is the best screen recording tool? If you're serious about making impactful video messages, tutorials, or product demos, you will know that the right screen recording tool can make all the difference. We'll be taking a look at the features, pricing, pros and cons, and at the end, you have solid reasons to make your choice. We have the link to both services in the description so you can get a head start at the end of this video. And starting with the features. Now, both Tella and Loom offer core screen recording functionalities, thus allowing you to capture your screen, camera, and microphone with ease and instantly share videos via a link. However, they diverge significantly in their post-recording capabilities and overall approach to video creation. Multi-clip recording layouts. Tella shines with its ability to record your video in multiple clips, allowing you to rearrange, edit, and re-record individual segments without starting over. It also offers a wide array of dynamic layouts that you can apply after recording. Loom, on the other hand, typically records your screen and camera as one combined track with more limited layout options that are usually set during recording. AI-powered editing. Tella leverages AI for powerful text-based editing, automatically removing silences and filler words, and allowing you to edit your video by simply editing the transcript. Loom also offers AI features like auto-generated titles, summaries and chapters, and transcript-based editing, but Tella's focus is more on refining the video's flow and presentation. Customization and branding. Tella emphasizes polished, branded video output with features like customizable background, built-in transitions, and strong branding options for your videos. Some of these are available on higher tiers. On the other hand, Loom offers basic branding removal in its paid plans, but its focus is more on quick, functional video messages rather than highly designed content. Platform availability. Loom boasts wider platform accessibility, available as a Chrome extension, desktop application whether it's Windows or Mac OS, and a robust mobile app for on-the-go recording. Tella, on the other hand, primarily focuses on its web app and native desktop applications for Mac OS and Windows, with no dedicated mobile app at this time. Collaboration and engagement. Loom excels in asynchronous communication, offering robust features for viewer engagement like time-based comments, emoji reactions, and integrated viewer analytics, while Tella provides sharing and basic viewer insights. Loom's collaborative features are more deeply ingrained for team communication. And now to the pricing. Starting with Tella. Tella offers flexible pricing plans designed to cater to different creator needs. So you have two main plans. You have the Pro plan at $19 per month per user, with key features such as unlimited videos, unlimited recording, AI video editing, instant sharing, upload clips, 4K export, and it's perfect for serious solo creators. Then you have the Premium plan at $49 per month. And this contains everything in the Pro plan plus custom branding, custom domain, video analytics, and advanced sharing. This is great if you're trying to build your brand and understand your audience. So here's our recommendation. If you're serious about growing your YouTube channel or personal brand, the Premium plan is where you want to be. The custom branding and domain features are invaluable for establishing your unique identity, and the video analytics will give you crucial insights to fine-tune your content strategy. When it comes to Loom pricing, you have the starter or the free plan at $0 per month, with key features of up to 25 videos per person, a 5-minute recording limit per video, basic editing tools, transcriptions in over 50 languages, and viewer insights. The business plan comes at $15 per user when billed monthly, and it comes with features such as unlimited videos and recording length, advanced editing tools, custom branding removal, a more detailed viewer insight, and upload or download options. Then you have the Business Plus AI plan at $20 per month per user. It contains everything in the business plan, plus AI-powered silence and filler word removal. It also has auto-generated titles, summaries, and chapters, and transcript-based editing. The Enterprise plan is a custom pricing based on your specific needs, so you'll need to contact sales for details. This includes everything in Business plus AI, plus advanced security features, dedicated support, and integrations for large organizations. And now to the pros and cons. Starting with Tella, with the pros. It has superior post-recording editing flexibility with multi-clip recording and dynamic layouts. It also has powerful AI-driven text text-based editing, strong emphasis on creating polished, branded, and aesthetically pleasing videos. It has the ability to re-record individual clips with a larger video. It has an intuitive user interface, ideal for content creators without extensive video editing skills. Now, on the flip side, there is no dedicated mobile app. It is less focused on direct real-time collaboration features compared to Loom. It has a higher learning curve if you're used to Loom's record and send simplicity. Loom, on the other hand, with the pros. It is incredibly fast and easy for quick video messages and asynchronous communication. It has broad platform availability, it has a generous free starter plan with useful basic features, robust collaboration features, strong focus on viewer engagement, and analytics for communication efficiency. On the flip side, it has limited post-recording editing flexibility and layout customization. Camera and screen are typically recorded as one track, thus limiting post-production adjustment. It is less suitable for highly polished, branded, or complex video content. The free plan has strict video limits, and the AI features are locked behind higher price tiers. In conclusion, both Tella and Loom are excellent screen recording tools, but they cater to slightly different needs. Loom is undeniably fantastic for rapid, informal video messages, asynchronous team communication, and quick explanations. Its ease of use and widespread availability makes it a go-to for daily communication. However, if you're a content creator, educator, or marketer looking to produce highly polished, visually engaging, and branded videos with powerful post-recording flexibility and AI-driven editing, Tella is likely the superior choice. Its focus on dynamic layouts, multi-clip recording, and text-based editing empowers you to create professional-grade content without needing to be a video editing expert. Ultimately, the best tool depends on your primary use case. Don't forget to check out the links to both Tella and Loom in the description below so you can enjoy these services based on your choice. Do let us know if this was helpful, and thanks for watching.